Well, the touch of winter that we saw across Pennsylvania yesterday is out of the picture, and we'll see return to that spring-like weather that we've come to know and love over the past few weeks. On our visible satellite loop, we see a few high clouds here and there across central Pennsylvania, but other than that, it's going to be a very, very sun-filled day across Pennsylvania, and with those clearing skies, we'll see that precipitation that we saw yesterday move out of here. There are a couple drizzles across southeastern Pennsylvania this morning, but other than that, that snow and sleet that we saw yesterday is out of here, so we're going to dry out and clear out, and will feel like spring out there across Pennsylvania. It already does right around lunchtime. Temperatures in the upper 40s, even 50 degrees in Philadelphia right now at 12 o'clock. And out west, relatively warm as well. Temperatures in the upper 30s, a few 40s popping up between Altoona and Pittsburgh. So very, very warm. And again, we are here in the middle of February. It doesn't feel like February at all, and it hasn't for the past few weeks. But let's look at the eastern seaboard, and it's warm really relatively everywhere, especially here in the northern plains. It looks like it's cold, but relative to where they should be at this time of year, that's pretty warm for them as well. In Florida, if you really like the warm weather, that's the place to be. Temperatures in the 60s and 70s, 76 warm degrees in Miami, Florida at this lunch hour, say on this Friday. 50s and 60s elsewhere, so the warm air is just in place, and it will stay in place for the next few days, and very, very spring-like out there. But let's draw our attention down to Texas. We see this area of precipitation gathering itself. That will be our next weather maker in the next few days. And let's see how this storm unfolds on our eye in the sky forecast. Now note the dates. This storm is a little faster than the models are predicting. This model is a little slow. As we see that area of precipitation gathering, the model says by lunchtime tomorrow. It's really there by lunchtime today, but let's see what happens to it. So we see this storm will ride up the East Coast and gather itself. Once it hits the mountains, we could see some snow and some sleet developing. And by tonight and tomorrow morning, they could be on our doorstep, providing a chance of some snow to south or southern Pennsylvania. Could see a few flurries up here as well. But today it's going to be another beautiful one out there. Mostly sunny skies. 44 degrees will be the high. The wind's pretty calm out there out of the west at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Overnight tonight, we could see a few clouds come in ahead of that system. It will drop down to about 26 degrees. The wind's still calm out there, right around 5 miles per hour. As we head into the next 5 days, we could see a slight chance of flurries on Saturday. But again, I'm going to emphasize that, a slight chance. It looks like it's going to be just a mostly cloudy day. Sunday, the clouds will stick around, but the temperatures will drop about 10 degrees or so. High right around Sunday is going to be about 35 degrees. On Monday, the sun will begin to poke its head out a little bit more, about 37 degrees. And Tuesday, the sun comes out in full force. Those temperatures right back up there as well. Highs in the mid 40s.